Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use join command. I will explain uh, use force shortcut key in join command. Join command between two different separate line to join and convert single line. So let's how to do that in join command. So let's first of all, when I create the line here, I will show you a simple line. Start from line command. The line has a start when get the orthogonal projection in this. Okay, let's go move the view here. This is view. Let's start the top view selection. Then every selection I have go to delete because they are not using. This is top one, and first of all, when I get the create line here, this is one simple line. And also get copy continue. So here look at this copy command and enter this. Click the particular distance and get the continue copy here. Look at this. So let's again, I will go to here, make the simple rectangle. Now choose from the rectangle here and select this rectangle and go to trim. This is trim here. Enter the trim and click this point, this line, and select this line and select this line. Then after I will select this rectangle and go to remove. So this is delete here. Now see these two different and two individual line available in every side. I have get select in every line is properly selected 1 2 1. But join command is join between both two line, join between both line. So how is it do the join command properly use in AutoCAD? Let's make the simple line here. When get actually this is the much more gap. They are directly when I click this here and see this is gap here. You look at this here gap, but I will go to use the join command. So first of all, select this both line. This is both line selection. Then I will show you join command is shortcut key. Enter J, enter, press the J enter. When J enter, it is continuation joint here. Select this continuation joint and select J enter. Less first selection, then J enter. First selection, then J enter. So like that. Then after I will selection, this is individual selected for all whole body. So it's very easy to get join command in AutoCAD. It's importance for us. Now let's again I will show you. First selection this command and J enter. First selection this both of us and J enter. First selection here both of us and J enter. Selection J enter, J enter. So today let's complete this session, and now